What's up, guys? John here with Majestic Woodwork. Wanted to show you guys the chainsaw in action. Nice and straight. See that? They finished this one earlier. We should be done with this one today. Carrots are a lot smaller, they're not that long. There it is, see that? Then back here we got the other guys laminating the other staircase. They finished the outside stringer, now they're going to work on the inside. I don't think they'll get to finish the inside one, but as long as they get a couple layers done today, I'm happy. So we got this crew working on this stairs. Hector and myself on that one, and we still got to finish that one up. Then we got Mario taking his oval rails. By hand. Yeah, nice and straight, it's coming out. We got a teeter totter horizontal to be able to slide it through. We're going to slide through, it's just pushing it, forcing it through straight, it won't. That was it. So we used to use a saw and that didn't work. Then he takes it off, moves it on to the next one, which is the last one. And then we're gonna start on the inside one. And over here we got the other guys laminating this other freestanding. We got Martin, Marvin, and Alfonso. So right now they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 18. And then we got all these rails going on too. Then Mario's laminating himself. Alright guys, sorry about that. But yeah, everybody's working hard.